This matter, you both are on bail. The court is extending your bail conditions. Conditions remain unchanged. You both expected to appear in court number 10 at 8:30 in the morning. You're well aware of the fact that should you fail to adhere to the conditions of this court, warrants of arrest will then be authorized. You will both forfeit your bail monies to the state. Do you both understand? Thank you. You may stand down.
Your Worship, that completes our business before the matter be excused.
Yes, please thank you for your help, gentlemen. May be excused.
Your Worship, that also concludes my role. Shall I humbly request for short adjournment, Your Worship, just for the court to be properly cleared, and once that is done, Your Worship, I think the business of the day can then be proceeded with.
Thank you. Thank you, Court of Gents. All right.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Zizi Kodwa left the court before adjournment after his trial was remanded for the 3rd of October 2024. Accused number one's lawyer claimed that they have submitted representations to the DPP's office by hand delivery, and the DPP claimed not to have received any representations from accused number one's lawyers. So accused number two's lawyer, accused number two is Zizi Kodwa's lawyer, was very firm to tell the court that they were trial ready and they've been ready from the very first court appearance. So should accused number one's lawyers not being ready on the 3rd of October, they will have no choice but to apply for a separate trial. Listen to what Zizi Kodwa's lawyer said.
On behalf of accused number 2, Mr. Kodwa, we are ready. We are trial ready. We all received the disclosure, in fairness to my learned friend on behalf of the state, on our very first appearance. Our docket spans 1,352 pages, and I read them all. And on the next occasion, on my client's instructions, I placed on record that we are indeed ready to either set a trial date or to deal with the necessary pre-hearing matters. And there was a reason for that. My client is an office bearer who, as a result of this case, spurious case, I must add, has had to resign. It's a matter of public record that he was a minister in the 6th provincial government and could easily have been a minister in the 7th, national government. But because he does not locate himself above the law, on pain of his own conscience, he decided that it would be best to resign so that he can focus on this criminal trial, which he respects. Now we are in a situation where he is co-charged with someone whose rights we equally respect. But the net impact of all of this ping pong, it has a direct impact on him. In as much as collegially, we will always accommodate our colleagues, both the team for number 1 and the state. I have a job to do. I have a client whose rights I must protect. All you have to do, Your Worship, is to cast your eyes on the annotations that are in the charge sheet. Your Worship will note that even on that last occasion, I did give an advance warning that if come today, there are delays that have absolutely nothing to do with my client, we may wish to reconsider our position. Where am I going with this? I'm giving a hint that in the fullness of time, we might consider bringing an application for the separation of trials. And I mean my colleague and accused number, no disrespect, but the truth of the matter is, every single day that passes, the prejudice, real or perceived, with reference to my client, is significant. He plays in a political environment, and wherever he goes, he's a scallion who's taking some money corruptly. We are ready. We want our day in court. I hope, Your Worship, that this is the last time we deal with interlocutors that have nothing to do with it. Metaphorically, they're joined by the hip, unfortunately. I just want the record to reflect that, Your Worship, and to specifically record that we were ready 3 months ago, we are ready today, we'll be ready on the 3rd of October. And if on the 3rd of October there is no progress, at least no one will be taken by surprise with regard to what our intentions are.